dear viewers, I'm Ulana and I'm happy to welcome you on my video channel. If you have noticed, I have not posted many videos because I have been very busy. However, recently I've been working on new jewelry, new ideas, and I'm ready to share the results of that work with you. What do you think about these oranges? Do they really look like real things? If you want to know how to make such cute oranges, watch the video. In one of the videos, I showed how I tested out some polymer clay, which was a total disappointment. However, by letting the clay dry slightly, I was able to create beautiful pieces. I will show you videos on this topic later. For the oranges, I used a different type of polymer clay, dry air clay. You can use any type of clay. Polymer clay used in this work was obtained from Temu.com. It is inexpensive, therefore studying the properties of such clay and what I can do with it is quite suitable for price and quantity. To create oranges, orange polymer clay is required. Take small amount of it. First, the clay must be kneaded. This is training to improve its quality and preparation for molding. To obtain oranges of the same size, I roll the clay out a bit and cut out 2 circles using a cookie cutter. Now I will roll the clay and start creating balls. Do not worry if their sizes are different. As long as the clay is wet, everything can be redone a few times. It is important not to apply excessive pressure with your fingers. Additionally, the surface should be smooth. It is very convenient to work on glass, smooth plastic, or silicone pads. When the oranges are ready, I want them to look realistic. I will use lava stone to obtain the porous peel effect. These stones are sold in spa and cosmetic selections and have been used for centuries to clean heels and feet. If you buy natural lava stone, it may be dirty, containing dust. So before using, wash the lava stone under cold running water and dry. Slightly pressing and rolling a ball of clay over the lava surface will give you the effect of a porous peel. Such oranges look like real oranges, only very small. So the oranges are ready. However, I want to add more realism. Therefore, I'm going to add green leaves. Have you seen how oranges grow and what kind of leaves do they have? They're usually dark green, long, sharp. To make the leaves, you will need an extremely small amount of green clay. I will create 4 leaves. You do not have to glue the leaves to the oranges while the clay is wet. However, adhesive glue can be used to ensure that the leaves do not fall off. Look at this miracle. The oranges are ready. Therefore, it is now necessary to dry them. This type of clay requires a minimum 24 hours for drying. When oranges are dry, they can be coated with varnish or Mod Podge to protect them from damage. The oranges turn out to be so beautiful. I do not want to add any other beads or elements to create earrings. I used 2 pairs of hooks with connectors. 18-karat gold or gold-plated hooks are usually the best because they are hypoallergenic. First, I will make the oranges by gluing ready-made hooks to them, and I use glue to hold them firmly in place. I use 2 ring connectors to connect the ball to the hook. This process is simple, also it requires patience. First, open the ring. Thread it through the hook and the wire hook, and close it, squeezing the ends of the ring. With experience, this job takes less than a minute. Do it all over again. Okay, the oranges are ready. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? And very light because this kind of clay is light in weight. Now it's time to take a picture and put them on the market. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like. Subscribe to my video channel and write comments. Other interesting videos are awaiting you. See you soon!